Today we're going to be trying TIG welding with a stick welder that I picked up for 50 quid. I picked up the TIG torch for 25 quid. Pizza. Switch the gas on.
I was just trying to get stuff out of the way so I didn't look so cluttered.
I picked up this Newark R1500 inverter welder for 50 quid from a guy who owned an engineering company who was retiring. I think he said that he paid something like $1,000 for it new. I don't have any welding rods for it, so I'm using some stainless steel stick welding rods with the flux chipped off of them. It does work, but it's maybe not the prettiest. I'm surprised with how well the machine works. I'm only limited to welding stainless steel and mild steel.